Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lutherville Local and Long Distance. Movers near me. All our movers at 3 Men and a Truck are licensed and experienced in making your long-distance move easy and simple. We handle everything from providing packing materials to transporting your things safe and sound to your new space. Whether you are relocating to another city, state, or moving abroad, we ensure you receive your things on time and damage-free. Our moving team is well-trained and expert in handling any unknown uncertainties along the long way. Schedule your long-distance move with us today. Relocating comes with its own set of difficulties. Between work, daily chores, and home responsibilities, managing time to deal with packing and organizing your stuff is a lot to handle. It's not worth wasting away your fun weekend to carry out your move and deal with back pain afterward. Instead, hire 3 men and a truck to streamline your move. We'll resettle you in your new home or office a lot faster and easier than you have anticipated. In just a few hours, our movers will pack, load, and move everything along with reassembling your furniture in your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lutherville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.